boys and girls, Miss Jenny. We're gonna make some puzzles today. I know you guys love doing puzzles in class, and you've probably gotten pretty good with all the puzzles you have at your house by now. So we're gonna make some new puzzles. So you're just gonna need either you can make a picture of something that you really love, like your favorite toy. You can take a picture and print that out. You can get a coloring sheet. This was from our curriculum this week. It's Pete the Cat. You can print that out and color it. Or probably the easiest way is to get a cereal box and just cut off the fun picture on the cereal box. And that way it's already mounted on cardboard. But if you do the coloring sheet or the picture, they're usually on pretty flimsy paper. So you're going to want to put them on some cardboard to make it a little sturdier and easier to make the puzzle. So I'm going to glue that on and then come back in a minute and show you what we've done. Okay, we're back and we've mounted it all to cardboard, and I've cut them up into different types of puzzles. So this one I just cut up into like your standard puzzle piece. I drew it on the back and then just cut it out. So that's kind of fun. They could put it together and make a Pete the Cat puzzle. Okay, we always tell him use the clues, so that's his head. So his head's gonna go on top of his neck, right? And this piece, if you had this piece, that looks like part of the guitar, and that part is missing, so you're gonna have that. So try to have one little bit of clue in each piece so that they can use their powers of deduction to put the puzzle together. So that's that one type of puzzle. Another puzzle we did with the button piece. So there's a strip puzzle with numbers. So they can either do it by the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or they can do it by the clues. See, that one's missing a little bit of yellow. I bet it goes with that one. And then we have half a green button. This one's got half a green button. I would do that. This one has edge of the pink triangle or the blue square. We can do that. Put it together like that, and that one must go there. And then at the end, it's self-correcting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the pieces look like they should fit together. Good job. Let's move that one. The other one I did with the cereal box. I just cut that into strips, but I cut them on a diagonal, which makes it a little harder to come back up with a triangle. But again, they could look at the clues, and you always want to tell them the outside edges are usually straight. So you're going to match that. See, there's the top of her head. This looks like the bottom of her head. Voila. And then we've got the writing and the writing. Down here, let's see what clues we've got. We've got the coral and the coral. And it makes a rectangle. So those are 3 fun puzzles you can make out of free, if not super cheap materials, and hopefully you guys will have fun doing them.